Almost live from Tijuana, kind of Thursday. We're actually recording it the week because the time that you're watching this, I'm actually in North Dakota speaking towards a group of doctors. I'm here with, Dan, what's your name?
Dan Reynolds.
Okay.
Las Vegas. I own an investment company there.
Cool. What brought you down here?
A friend, I have polymyalgia rheumatica, and a friend of mine, her name is Lynette, and she thought I should come down here and visit you.
Now, we've only had a few adjustments, okay? And have you done any of the dental work, IVs, things like that?
A lot of IV. I've done several IVs over the last 2 months with you. And I mean, I was on prednisone, let's see. Last year I started at 50 milligrams a day.
Wow.
I'm down to 5 milligrams a day.
Thank you,
of
God.
prednisone.
That suppresses the immune system, decreases the body's ability to regenerate.
Yeah, and you know, my gut system changed when you
did the adjustments?
Yeah.
And it was probably a shocker for you. Have you ever been adjusted before?
No.
Because have you ever heard a sailor give expletives about anything?
Let me explain something to you. He doesn't mind cussing. So
yeah,
it's good.
We're related somewhere.
Oh yeah.
And I have heard that people that are comfortable with their language are more honest.
Cool. Yeah.
So you've had just a few adjustments. So you're starting to notice some differences.
Oh yeah. I mean, but I think it was all the nutritional stuff and everything else that you had informed me of, and then I juice now, which I hadn't been. I mean, I'm on a juicing machine. It doesn't mean I don't eat meat and stuff like that, but you know, I really started being conscious about my life.
The biggest thing is the crazy verbiage that they use. Polymyalgia, okay, that means many muscle pain. So if I said you have many muscle pain, by God, fix it. But when you say it in Latin, it's like, Jesus, that sounds scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the juicing is one of the keys, because your body is always breaking down, it's always building up, and the juicing has antioxidants to regenerate it.
Yeah.
And I also saw you doing an IV.
Glutathione, vitamin C, oh gosh, I don't remember the other. So a lot of them. Whichever ones you guys recommend, because you got a really cool team here. The team here is awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really good, and I mean that in a way where I'd rather travel 5.5 hours from Vegas to here to Tijuana, and coming to the border's pretty easy. You don't have to worry about that. But I mean, then stand as a number. You're like a family here, which is really cool. I like that.
Honest to God, I've got 2 clinics, and the clinic up north has been running for more than 20 years, and
Gotcha.
A good, tight team. There's so much love, and you don't have to worry about the love here. I mean, it's literally hugging everybody, and God, I'm so glad you feel it.
I mean, honestly, I know everybody now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay, now, too many people on this world get a diagnosis, and it's like it's been burned in their forehead. Okay, where they abdicate authority over the doctor, and it's just drug on top of drug on top of drug. What made you not follow that pathway? This is courage, man. This is heart stuff.
I had this gut feeling that I didn't want to be on this product called methotrexate or something, and
methotrexate.
Yeah,
it's a
and
chemotherapy
then I got prescribed like 6 other drugs, and then I was just like, I can't do it. I literally have a drawer full of drugs that I never took, and I was just like, there's got to be a better way. There has to be whatever's going in me, and there's got to be a better way, and that's what. And Lynette, there's another person in my life, and she was like, you got to check this guy out, and that happened to be you, and then she brought us down here. And the whole team. Again, I know I said that before, but it's really true.
It is true.
Once you get down here, it's so much different.
The trip is, okay, this is called Real People, Real Problems, and Real Solutions.
Yeah, I mean,
Brother, you're a real person.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many times have you been frustrated? It's like, you know, the doctor will look at a blood test and say, "Wow, you're doing so much better," but you feel like crap. Okay, you know, that's insane.
So the doc's like, you can't lower down to the where you're at right now. That's what he told me. This is what he told me 3 weeks ago. And because you know, we don't go because of the COVID thing, you know, that other. So I'm on a Zoom thing, and he's like, "There's no way you're down that low." I said, "I'm down that low. 5 milligrams a day, 2.5 in the morning and 2.5 at night of prednisone, and I know that I'll be done with this."
Oh, buddy, in a month.
Yeah.
You'll be off of it. And that's guaranteed. Because when you stop doing the chemicals, your body secretes this greatest anti-inflammatory ever. It's called cortisol. Okay, but then also all the other stuff that you're doing, the antioxidants, the vitamin C, the glutathione, those are all repair the tissue. What's weird is the antioxidants that you get in the IVs or in plant products or everything else, those allow inflammation to heal the body. The chemicals, the steroids, actually stop the healing process. So it's a cycle of stupid.
And the blood work stuff that you showed me, that was really cool.
Okay, yeah. And that stuff we got just to monitor it is so cool. Because you see red blood cells that should be beautiful, separate, holding oxygen, balancing the immune system, clumped together.
Right, it really made me conscious. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it's just like, okay, really get conscious about your life, because, you know, you're like unconscious a lot of the time. So you guys woke me up.
I mean, you'll meet people here that used to have MS, that used to have rheumatoid arthritis, and a bunch of people.
Gotcha.
What could you tell somebody? Because this, honest to God, the majority of people just abdicate authority. They get that diagnosis burned in their forehead, and they don't have the courage. What could you tell someone?
They were trained thinking that was the right thing, the doctors. It isn't necessarily the right thing. How's that? Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a pharmaceutical control of the medical schools, pharmaceutical control of the insurance industry, pharmaceutical control of the media.
Yeah. It's you know, it's only been 2 months. Now I'm much different. Lost weight. Everything's changed.
Yeah. God bless you, man.
Thank
I mean, take charge of your health. This is real people, real problems, real solutions. God bless you, brother.
Thanks, man.
You're freaking amazing.
Okay.
Okay, good. We oh God, that was cool.